A plan to fix the Cypriot financial crisis by taking money out of every depositor's account, whether they like it or not, has left the people whose money was in the bank hopping mad.
I think it's a violation of rights, yes. Human rights. We've all got human rights after all. It's disgusting. It's just absolutely disgusting.
The Cypriot parliament is hammering out the details of a plan to seize a percentage of every bank account in the country, because that is a condition international lenders have set so that Cyprus can get a $13 billion rescue package to avoid bankruptcy. The proposal is to deduct 6.75% of all bank accounts under 100,000 euros and 9.9% of everything above that sum. There has been a run on the banks as hundreds of protesters flooded into the streets of the Cypriot capital. Police set up defensive barriers to protect government buildings. Financial experts, likewise, are also critical of the idea of emptying money out of private and commercial bank accounts by force. Some say that sort of thing is closer to robbery than sound economics.
Well, it's dangerous if it really would be a precedent for other cases, because in Europe we have very performant deposit guarantee schemes. They guarantee the deposits up to 100,000 euro, which is quite an important amount. And I think that reinstored the confidence in European banks by the depositors, and this kind of taxes can put at risk again this confidence.
But worse than lack of confidence, financial pros like Ravoyer say, is an outright lack of cash.
And in Europe, 75% of all lending to the economy, the real economy, households, companies, goes through bank lending. So it is very important that banks receive these deposits. Taxing deposits is therefore a very bad idea.
Sunny Cyprus, with its low taxes and residence requirements, is home to tens of thousands of expatriates, up to 80,000 Britons, many of whom had believed a Cypriot bank was a safe place to deposit money.
On Tuesday, I plan to go to the bank and withdraw all the money I have in there and have nothing left in there. You know, I can't trust them anymore. You know, it's theft. They're stealing from me. That's what I see.
Interpol has long complained that tens of billions of iffy money piled up by oligarchs in the former Soviet Union has been the lifeblood of banks in Cyprus. The bankers are saying that forcing them to cough up a small fee is reasonable, considering all the money low tax rates in Cyprus have saved them. But others see danger ahead.
If it works once, they could do it again, they could do it again, they could do it again. And the mentality sometimes is, let's get all our money out. That's human instinct, isn't it? Let's keep our cash, get it under the bed or something, and I don't know. It's a very worrying time.
Banks are closed in Cyprus until later in the week, cash points are shut down, and the government has already delayed formal announcement of the forced deduction scheme. But Cypriot officials are insistent that, for the public good, depositors will have to pay up.